Well, it's okay to kasi alam mo nangyayari kasi ngayon, since walang accessibility ang ating mga kababayan sa pagdagdag puhunan 'no,
Yes, yes.
they usually resort to loan sharks.
Mm.
And somehow it eats really a large chunk of their profit.
Yes,
So ang
yes. Ang
sinasabi
laki ng
ko,
interest.
oo, 'di ba? Ang laki ng
Mm.
interest kaya ayoko lang magsabi ng nationality pero malaki yung interest. So nandito kami, we are offering, I would say the best alternative, financing alternative. Ngayon, if you're starting with the business, with your, well, maganda siguro, as much as possible, alamin niyo muna yung papasukan niyo. It's easy to apply for loan and be approved. Pero although we give